I welcome you in today's tutorial. So today we are going to see how we can design a simple butterfly here. This is a butterfly. So I want us to design something like this. Is this your first time seeing my video or watching my video? I welcome you on my channel. Please subscribe and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop video you'll get notification. Alright, so today we are going to see how we can design this. After watching this video, please make sure to share, like and comment. Share so that others can learn as well. Alright, so we are going to design this. I've imported the image, so we are going to replicate this. Now the first thing that we're going to do right now is to change our image size. Let's increase the height of our image. Just click on this place on that three dotted line, then we're going to click on image size. Then let us increase our height to something like 400 to 1200. Alright, I think this is okay. Yeah. Alright, so now the next thing is to import our background. This is very simple. Just follow along, you understand everything. Here's for your background. For those who are new in pixellab, here's for text, here's for shape, then this one is for background, then this last one is for your effect. Alright, so let us change our background, and our background is going to be from gallery, so we have to click from gallery. You can get this through your Pinterest app, or you can just let me know if you want the background in the comment section. Alright, so if you notice our background is pink, while in the design it is green, so we have to turn it to green. Now how do we do this thing? We are going to make use of this one, which is effect. We go to it. Then we are going to make use of this one, the HAU. That's where you can change different colors. Alright, so let's tweak so that we check if we can get green. I think this is green. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Now the next thing, let us crop this image. I want us to crop the image that we used. That's the background, sorry. Let us crop the background, come back to background, then click on crop. Let's crop it this way. Yeah, it's okay like this. This is okay. Alright, so now the next thing is just to import the images used here, then and do other things. So for you to import your image, if you come to shapes, then you can see import here. You can see import, but the best and simple way is just to click on this plus sign here. If you click on it, then you're going to click from gallery, and when you click on gallery, then you're going to select the image you want to use. So, and make sure you remove the background of the image. Alright, try and remove the background before working on it. Alright, so here's the image. Then this is going to be the first image that we have to put in this design. Alright, so let's resize so that it will be big. I think this is okay like this. Yeah, I think it's okay. Alright, so now the next thing is that we are going to blend this image. Now how do we blend? But I want us to crop this image because it's too much. Just click on crop, and let's keep it at this level. I think it's okay like this. Now we have to blend our image. So how do we blend? Let's just use this simple method. Go to draw, just scroll down till you see this blur radius. Increase it, increase the blur radius to 25. Then this smoothness, also increase it. Then the pencil size, you can as well increase it. Alright, so let's draw. This is just a simple way to do this. Alright, so we are done. Then we are going to put it on a white color. That's the next thing. Go to color. You can select the color before drawing, but I don't want us to select color before drawing. Click on the button, then you have to search for white color, and here it is. Then The next thing you're going to do is you're going to resize using this and this, alright, so that it will have a smooth blending. So increase them. You can see it now. Let it now have a very smooth blending. Alright, so this is just a simple way to do this. Then let us keep it like this. Then we have to lock all this. Let's lock all this. And here is how you can lock. Click on this. Then you are going to click on this key icon for you to lock. Alright, so let us lock two of them. Alright, so the next thing now is let us import the remaining two images. Alright, so still the same way you imported the first one. Click on that plus sign, then click from gallery, and just make sure that you have removed the background of all this image before you start designing. Alright, so this one is going to be in this way. It's going to be like this. Alright, then if you notice in this design, sorry, let me lock this one so it won't move. If you check this image, you see that it has a kind of shadow here. If you check it, kind of shadow. Now how do we do that? Just a simple way to do it is just, you can draw. You can just use draw and do something like black on it. Let me show you. You can do that. Something like this. And after doing this, you have to send this thing that you draw back so that this image will be at the front. Just the simple way is just to click on it, then you now draw it down. Alright, so it has that what we want, but this is not perfect enough. Alright, so the perfect way to do this is just copy this image, copy it. Then you have to place this one further down. And this one you copied, you have to rotate it using this. Rotate it this way, then turn it to black color. On the color, everything is going to change, right? Yeah, just add it on a black color. Then reduce the opacity. Then you have to keep it this way. So let's reduce the opacity again. Then let's use position to draw it up small again. And what I mean position. I think it's okay now. Alright, we are done with this one now. Next thing is this remaining shape. I mean this remaining picture here. Alright, so let's import it. But before that, let's lock the one we have to do. Let's lock them. Alright, so let's import the remaining shape, the remaining picture. That's this one. Alright, so let's increase this size small. Here's for general increase. Here's for the height, increasing the height, and here's for increasing the width. Right? Yes, it's okay like this. It has to be equal with this first one. So let's reduce. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Then we have to keep it this way. Let's see our design. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Right, then we copy again so that we will also do this shadow here. Let's copy this one. You click on copy, then you have to rotate the same way we did the other one. And keep it this way. Turn the color to black. To black color. Then reduce the opacity. Here's opacity. Right. So reduce it to something like this. It's okay. Then let's lock the two shapes that we just did now. Sorry, not this. Alright. So now the next thing we are going to do is to import this happy birthday. And this is a text that you need to download, maybe from your Pinterest or from Google. Alright, so just click here the same way we put our image. Let me check where I can find this. Okay, seems it's not here. Alright. Oh my god, where is this? Okay, let me check here. Okay, here it is. And I will not remove the background of this one, but I can still remove the background using a pixellab. But it's not an effective way to remove your background, so it is advisable you use your Chrome, or just go to your Google. Or if you want to know this, I've also created a video on how you can remove the background of an image. Alright, so just go and watch the video. So for us to remove the background using Pinterest, you go to erase color, you click on it, then on the button you are going to click on this pencil icon here, so that we select the color that we want to erase. So and we are going to select black, which is the black color. Then after selecting the color, when selecting this color, this is where you move, and this is showing you what you have selected. Alright, so after selecting, then you click on this so that it will now remove. You can see it now. Alright, so you can come and increase the tolerance so that it will be brighter a bit. I think it's okay like this. Then let's reduce it. Alright, I think this is okay. Let me just go to, sorry, I copied it here. Let's go to erase color again. Let's reduce this to this point to 10. I think it's better now. Alright, so let's keep it this way. I think we are getting it. Right, then we are going to write this Nene Ugochukwu, which is the name of this person. Alright, so for you to do that, you click on this A here. Then after clicking on it, you click on this plus sign. And you have to click on Edit, which is here. Here is already the default, and there is the okay. So click on Edit so that you put your own. So we have to write name. Now if you notice, this is in small letter. For us to put it in capital letter, just click on this T here, then it will be capital letter. Right, so let's position it this way. Then we have to give it a green color, which is the color with the background, the same color with the background. Then the next thing is the font. I want us to change the font. You click on this font for us to change the font. You scroll down. I'm going to make use of this font here. That's the font I'm going to make use of. So click on it, then click OK. Then if you notice, the next thing is that there is a stroke, a kind of black thing that is surrounded the text. That is called stroke. So for you to apply that in your own design, click on stroke. Then on the button, you can see the thing has applied already. So let's increase this again. I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing is the remaining name, which is Ugochukwu. Alright, so you go to your text again. Sorry, Ugochi, not Ugochukwu, Ugochi. Alright, so just write it this way. Sorry, the U should be in capital letter. The U should be in capital letter. Then we have to give it a color which is black color. Then we have to change the font. Let's change the fonts. Let me check the fonts that are used in the design. Alright, so here's the fonts that we are going to use. Grand Hotel Regular, this font. Alright, so that's the font we are going to make use of. Click on it and click OK. Alright, so you can see that's the font. So let's keep it this way. Let's use position so it will be okay. Alright, so I think we are done with our design. So it just remains this 2nd October, which is the date, alright, date of the birthday. Alright, so you just go to your test again, 2nd October, then you have to add it on a green color. Then we are going to give it a style, which is bold style. Click on this style here. Then this B is for you to make your style to be bold. This I is for you to make your text to be in a slant form. Then this way U is for you to underline your text. So we need the B. We click on B and keep it this way. Alright, so I think we are done with our design. So this is just a simple birthday flyer that you can design. And you can make use of any form of video. Even if the person is not standing up, you can still blend the image and you achieve something very nice. So thank you for staying to the end of the video. Please try and share this video, like and comment. I'll see you in the next video.